Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A31 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And it gives us access to advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features here. And as you can see, at the first position we have the grid lines option, so by using this we can turn it on and turn it off easily like that. So this is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera preview to show you how it looks like. And here we are. As you can see, it generates us these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, these are only help lines to help us taking better photos. So let me take a picture. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. This is the quick access to the gallery. And this is our picture in the gallery. As you can see, these lines are not visible here. And let's go back to the camera. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to this button in the left corner, sliding to the useful features and tapping on this button again. And as you can see, for now it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.